Next cell organism job, that is plastid. Plastid word derived from plasticas. Plasticas means modulated. Modulated means it can be converted, changed into one to another form. And this word, plastic word, told by Ernest Haeckel. How it is modulated? If we see that plastid, it is of three types. Three types of plastid is there. That is of leucoplast, chromoplast, and chloroplast. These three types of plastic can converted one to another. Like leucoplast can be changed into chromoplast, chromoplast into chloroplast, or chromoplast may be converted into leucoplast. So one can change into another type of plastic, that is of modulated. You can module means can be converted according to the requirements. That's why it is known as plastid. First of all, that leucoplast. Leucoplast it is colorless. It is helping storage of food material. Again, that leucoplast is of three types. First one is of amyloplast. Amyloplast, that amyl means starch. It's a type of plastics which help in the storage of starch food material, that is of amyloplast. So plastid is help in the storage of starch material, that is known as amyloplast. For example, in different plants where starch is stored, there amyloplast is present. For example, in the potato, starch can be stored, and in potato that amyloplast is present. Like in different storage organs, on it is non-green or colorless, that it is present in the root or in stem, where the surplus food material will be stored, that is of amyloplast. Then another type of plastic, that is of ileoplast. Ileoplast. Ileon means fat or oil. This type of plastic can store the oil inside them, that is of ileoplast, which helps in the storage of oil material, like it is present in groundnut, mustard, and any other fat or oil storing plants. So especially it is helping in the storage of oil. And third type of leucoplast, that is of proteinoplast. Proteinoplast. Then helping the storage of protein material, like name, it helps in the protein material, and it is also known as aleuroplast. Aleuroplast, it helps in the storage of protein. That is of Aleuroplast, or we can say proteinoplast. It is present in castor, in pulses, where the protein material is stored in their particular food parts. So it stores there, especially protein material. And if you see in non-green parts, especially that is leucoplast is there, and it can be converted into another type of plasticus like in ovary. Initially, ovary is of green colorless, that can storage surplus food material, but after the development, ovary will be converted into fruits, and fruit is of colored plastic, so that will be converted into chromoplast. Sometimes that green color convert into chromoplast, just like leaves. After that damaging of chloroplast, that convert into another colors, that into chromoplast. So these different types of plastic, three plastic, can convert one to another. Then second type of plastic is of chromoplast. Chromo means color. It is colored plastic. Other than ग्रीन कलर के अलावा जितने भी कलर का प्लास्टिक होता है, दैट इज द chromoplast. It is present in petals means flower, that is a flower, different flower is there, and which is due to chromoplast. Sometimes the leaves is also other than green in color, that is also chromoplast. So all the different colors which is seen in the nature inside the plants other than the green, all these are due to the chromoplast. Third type of plastic is of chloroplast. Chloroplast is of main plastic. We can say it is green in color. It is not normally, always green in color, and especially it helps in the photosynthesis. Its main function is of photosynthesis. If we see its size of the chloroplast, that is of 5 to 10 mm in length and 2 to 4 mm in breadth. 2 to 4 mm in breadth, normal size. But in some it may be enlarged, just like in Spirogyra. Then the number, how many numbers present of chloroplasts present in the every cells? It is vary from cell to cell, but normally its number is of 20 to 40 per cell. 20 to 40 chloroplasts present in per cell. Then shape. What is the shape of chloroplast? Shape of chloroplast is again different types. Normally in higher plant it is circular, oval in shape, but we see in the lower plants, especially in algae, it is of different type, that is spiral, in Spirogyra. Disc shaped in Diatoms. Cup shaped in Chlamydomonas. Girdle shaped or C-shaped in Euothrix. So its shape is varied, especially in the algae, but in higher plants, circular oval chloroplast is there. If we see that chemical composition, protein is present, that is 50 to 60%, lipid, that is 20 to 30% lipid is there. Chlorophyll present 5 to 10%. RNA, that is 1 to 2%. DNA, that is 0.5%. So these are the different types of chemicals which is present in the chloroplast or green color plastic. Now we see the ultrastructure of chloroplast, that is structure of chloroplast. Structure of chloroplast. What is the structure, main structure of the chloroplast? If we see, it is double membrane bounded structure. Double membrane bounded. Double membrane bounded structure. This is of outer membrane and another membrane which is present inside the outer membrane. Between both the membrane, this one is of, we can say, outer membrane. This one is of inner membrane. This is the space present between two membranes, that is a perimembranous space. Perimembranous space, the space present between both the membrane, that is called perimembranous space, and the thickness of these membrane is 75 to 100 angstrom. 75 to 100 angstrom space is there, and many pores also present with these membrane pores that help in the transport of different substance from cytoplasm to inside the chloroplast and chloroplast to cytoplasm. Then the main ground substance of the chloroplast, that is known as stroma. That is ground substance, we can say matrix, but matrix word utilized in the ground substance of mitochondria. So here we utilize stroma, the ground substance of chloroplast is of stroma. Inside the stroma, different thing is there. We can say firstly these flat sac-like structure is there. Flat sac-like structure is there, like the 5 rupees coin, that will be flat, and 10 to 100 flat sac-like structure present one upon another. These, and this single structure is known as thylakoids. thylakoids, and this group of structure which is known as grana. Single is known as thylakoids and group of structure that is the grana. These thylakoids can connected with the another these grana can connected with the another grana that is known as intergranum. These two grana is connected with the another grana that is known as intergranum. We can say trade channel or that is lamellae. So these are the intergranum which is connected one to another. Stroma also contain one DNA. We can say that is chloroplast DNA. It also contains DNA, that is chloroplast DNA. Ribosome is there, that is of 70S type of ribosome, and other different types of enzyme is there, and semi-liquids or jelly-like fluids present inside the stroma. If we see this thylakoids, this single is of thylakoids, and these situated one upon another, which form like stacks of coins. Stacks of coin, बहुत सारे coin एक साथ रखे हैं 5 rupees के, that form the stacks of coin, that is known as grana, or we can say singular is granum. Inside these thylakoids, that many granules is there. These granules is known as quantasomes. And inside the quantasomes, photosynthetic pigment is there. These small granules structure present inside that thylakoids, that is known as quantasome, and inside the quantasome photosynthetic pigments there that convert light energy into chemical energy. So here in chloroplast some starch grain may be present. Starch grain also present with the chloroplast. That will form after the photosynthesis. The starch will form represented in the form of starch grains. If we see that the main function of chloroplast, before that, due to presence of chloroplast DNA, 70S type of ribosomes and different enzymes inside the stroma, it is preparing its own protein. That's why it is also known as semi-autonomous organelles. Because it can prepare its own proteins, own requirement fulfilled by its own DNA. That's why it is known as semi-autonomous organelles. Now, what is the function of chloroplast? If we see the function of chloroplast, that function is main function is of helping the photosynthesis. Like photosynthesis, light reaction inside the grana and dark reaction inside the stroma. We'll discuss detail in the photosynthesis chapter. But the main function is of photosynthesis and also production of O2. O2, that is the part of photosynthesis, again utilizing of CO2 and create the nature pollution free. That is also part of photosynthesis. Produce reducing power. Produce reducing power, that is NADS2. That is also part of the photosynthesis. Its main function is of, that is of photosynthesis, also produce ATP, that produced with the help of photosynthesis. These all the portion and all the portion of the photosynthesis. It also prepare many intermediate compounds which is required during the different reactions of the cells. So these are the main function of chloroplast.